Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to predict the next candlestick with market structure. Let's start now. This is Euro GB pair. The market is in consolidation area, but it made a new high, the first new high, and came back to this point and started to go up. Yeah, I will check it in lower time frame. So the market made a new high. Okay. So this is a late entry, but the market made a new high. Again, it is making highs continuously. Okay. So it is making highs continuously. The next level is here. It didn't reach the next level. That's why I placed here a higher option trade. Okay. So it reached the level, but the market is moving like this. So now the market is at the level, but if you draw the wicks, it didn't reach the level. Okay. So I placed a lower option trade because I saw some strong sellers entry, a strong upper rejection from this point means the sellers will enter here. Okay. Because it is a seller's area. Okay. So again, a strong seller's entry. Still, we need to remember the market is making highs only. And here the market made a low first time. So the market made a low means we can expect here a seller's candle only. So the next level is here. There it is too far, and the market made low first time. Instead of high, it made low. Means the sellers will continue. One more candlestick here. Okay. Okay. So it was making highs like this. But here we see the market made low. It means we can expect a lower option trade only here. So this is the level, next level. So it didn't reach the next level point. Still the market made low. It means we can expect sellers entry only again. You can see the market is making lows. It means until it reaches the next level, we can expect a seller's candle only here. Okay. So it is a trend line point and the market reached this level and this is a new high. So we can expect here a buyer's entry on the next candlestick. Okay. So it is a extreme point. So a strong breakout. So it is a extreme point, a shoulder point. I saw a engulfing candle to here. So it is a extreme point and a buyer's area. So we can go with buyers and it is a breakout. Breakout means we can expect retracement. On retracement, that's why I placed here higher option trade. And I saw a confirmation candlestick too. So if you know how the market is moving, If market is making high rise means you can continuously expect a call trades only until the market reaches the next level. So from the level, if you see any new low like this means you can expect a lower option trade only. So like this way you can place your trade. So first time we are seeing a new high in the market. So we can expect here a call trade only. So sometimes we may lose even if you predict the market well, but it doesn't mean it will not work. It will work if you focus on the next trade. If you lose, you can focus on the next trade, but always it will work. If you observe the market structure, the market will always move according to the market movement, market structure only. So you can directly enter like this also. But if you wait and place with the right entry point, then always it will give you a winning trade only instead of losing trade. Always you will get winning trades only. Okay. So like this way you can predict the market and you can practice this strategy. It will give you a winning trade only. So sometimes you may lose. Don't worry about losses. You can see still there is a green candle because of new high. But now it failed to make new high. So it means it may go up or it may go down. We don't know. Until we see a new high, we can't go with the buyers. So always place your trades like this. Always predict the market like this. Always focus on the lower time frame. Then it will easily help you to predict how the market is moving. You can easily predict. So now the market is making lows. So always remember this point also. Okay. So this is my first trade. This is my first trade because the market is making highs. The next level is far. That's why I placed a higher option trade. This is my second trade because it is at the seller's zone. From the seller's zone, I saw a strong seller's entry. Okay. So this is my third trade because the market made low suddenly. So a sudden low means we can expect here a lower option trade only. Okay. And this is okay. I think I placed four trades only. No. Okay. This is my fourth trade. So this is my fourth trade because the market made low, making lows continuously. The next level is here. That's why I placed a lower option trade. And this is my last trade because of this level and breakout of this level. After breakout, I saw a engulfing pattern in the lower time frame. That's why I placed here a higher option trade. So always trade the market like this. Always observe how the market is moving. So you can see it made low again. The market created a Pyrrhus candlestick. So always focus how the market is moving, how the market is making higher highs and lower lows when the market is turning its trend. So always observe these all things. Then you can easily predict the next candlestick. And if you place with right entry point, then that will be a very good instead of placing directly. If you draw the level like this, for example, so if you draw the level and if you place your trade here, that will be a very good entry point. And here as well, we'll show you. So in 5 second chart, so this is a level I will draw. Okay, so this is a level. This is a level. If you enter here, that will be very good entry point. Instead of here, this will be very good entry point if you enter here. So always place your trade according to the levels, then you will get a good entry point always. So don't place directly. I'm just explaining you how the market is creating the next candlestick with the help of lower time frame market structure. That's why I made this video. Always practice on demo account. Don't try it in real account. If you have confidence on demo account, then you can try it in real account. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.